What's up, y'all? It's your boy Crazy Al Kane here at First State BMX representing. We got Truth BMX representing right here. And y'all been buzzing about it online. And I got to see it. And it is the truth. The main event, Carbon, what? Got Eric Spears, he's gonna do a little bike check of it.
Hey guys, this is Eric Spears from Truth BMX Products. Right here we have our 2017 Carbon main event frame.
What?
Yes sir, this one here is a Pro XL 21 1/4 top tube. Frame weighing at 2 pounds 6 ounces. It's stiff, 20 millimeter dropouts with the adapters for 10 and 15 millimeter. Stealth hubs laced to box rims. And wrapped around the box rims are Toga power block tires, box brakes, tangent, pivotal,
Nice.
with a Truth seat post and seat clamp. Truth 2-piece cranks, BB92 press-in bottom bracket, Truth of course. Yeah, it's pretty tight.
Nice.
We have the tapered headset, 1.1 to 1.5 inches, of course. Carbon spacers, Truth CNC machine stem, box carbon brake lever, Sens Elite carbon forks, Stealth hubs laced to box rims, Toga tires. This bike right now, the way it's set up, is at 17 pounds 3 ounces. The carbon frame should be available around early March. We're only doing pro sizes from 20 and a half, 21 1/4, and 21.75. Right now there's no plans for cruisers. This one here was set up for my son Tomas. He wanted the silver metallic decals with the glossy carbon look. I'm sure we're gonna do a matte finish and maybe white decals. Also, what we did on the carbon frame is we widened the seat post tube out to a tapered end that wraps around the bottom bracket and the down tube. All right, this is Eric Spears from Truth BMX Products and SugarKing.com signing out. Back to you, Billy.